everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning about cost-benefit analysis. So we have been learning about the value-based criteria. We have learned to make a value-based criteria table and to choose the best choice. And we've learned about opportunity cost. We know that if we choose one of the options, we won't be able to choose another option. Today we're gonna learn about cost-benefit analysis, which means it's kind of like something gonna help you a lot to choose the best choice too. Beside making a value-based criteria, you can also use cost-benefit analysis to choose the best option. So cost-benefit analysis helps you determine the cost of acquiring a product or service and how it will benefit you. So you do this by comparing the various options through analysis. For example, an electric dryer costs $1,200. That's a lot of money. Paper towel costs $80 1 month. So you're going to use, let's say it's about a year and a hand dryer costs $1,200. But this is expensive, but you'll use them for a lifetime. For $80 for paper towel, you're going to use them $80 a month, 1 month. So to determine by which would be better, you divide $1,200 by $80. This shows that it will take 15 months to break even. So you're going to take $1,200 by $80. So you can use a calculator, or you can just use your hand. I'm using a calculator. I'm going to take $1,200 and divide by $80, and I'm gonna get 15 months. It will be like assuming that the hand dryer will be continue to be used for over 15 months, and it will be the better option than paper towel. So again, there's this whole stuff. The electric hand dryer is about $1,200, but you're gonna use this for lifetime. You're gonna use it like over lifetime, like over 15 months, over more than 1 years. And it's expensive, but you can use them for a very long time. And also, there will be no waste. If you choose paper towel, you're going to use $80 a month. It will be less expensive, but you only get to use this a month. So the next month you gotta have to buy another paper towel, and this will have more waste. It will have a lot of waste. And we're gonna take $1,200 and divide it by $80, and we know that the electric hand dryer take 15 months to break even, and it is cleaner than paper towel. And you can use this for 15 months until you break even. So the electric hand dryer would be the best option. So you would just like see how many time it will last. There's something like option like that, or you can just put it in a value-based criteria table. For me, I will do cost-benefit analysis because it takes lesser time, and also it's just for stuff like that. But if there's like bigger stuff, like important stuff, like buying a car, you would use value-based criteria, a value-based criteria table to help you with that. So let's practice. Peter is starting a new business. He has lots of new ideas about how to run their business. Why is it important to use cost-benefit analysis when making financial decisions? A. Peter has unlimited resources, so he can do whatever he wants. B. Peter can make decisions that help him look good to the neighboring businessmen. C. Peter has unlimited wants and limited resources. Let's read the question again. It said he has lots of new ideas about how to run the business. So why is it important to use cost-benefit analysis? We know that resources are limited because we only need stuff so we can survive. And we know that wants is unlimited. C is a correct answer. But this question is asking why it is good to use the cost-benefit analysis when making financial decisions. And this doesn't have anything to do with that. A isn't either because we know that resources are limited, so this would be wrong. So the only answer would be B. Peter can make decisions that help him look good to the neighboring businessmen. Yes, maybe when he do right now, maybe he haven't got any neighboring businessmen to work with yet, but maybe in the future, when he have maybe in the future, the businessmen and Peter might contact each other and work with each other, and it might help him look good. So let's say Peter's business is not doing very good. It's just like trash and stuff. Would the neighboring businessmen would want Peter to work with them? That's why if Peter make a good decision, it will help the neighboring businessmen will look good, and also his business will grow too. I would choose B. It isn't B. So it would be C? Let's see. There isn't anything to do with that. I don't know. Okay, Larry must choose either an electric hand dryer that costs... So it's the same thing as the example we have to choose. We have learned that. If he is wise, what crystal will he use to choose the hand dryer? If he is wise, what crystal will he choose? Will he choose the hand dryer? Yes. Well, we learned that yes, we choose them. But why? Let's read the option. A. The hand dryer will pay for itself in 15 months, and he expects to still be in business then. B. The hand dryer look nice. He wants to please his employees. C. He doesn't want to pay someone to pick up paper towel from the floors. Let's see. So it's asked us if he is wise, what crystal will he choose? Will he use to choose the hand dryer? Why? Why he choose the hand dryer? Well, the hand dryer will be paid for itself in 15 months, and they expect to still be in business then. This one is a good answer, but let's take a look at another answer. Not like the first question, I've done it wrong. B. The hand dryer look nicer, and he want to please his employees. Well, I think option A might be the better answer better than the answer B, because, well, maybe he want to please his employees, but it will also help him. It will pay for itself in 15 months, and he expect to be in business then, which is much a better idea. Then it will look nice. If it looked nice, he can please his employees, but it's also pay for itself in 15 months too. And also, please employee doesn't have anything to do with this question. Let's see. He doesn't want to pay someone to pick up paper towel from the floor. Well, we know that it costs $80 per month. This one is like 15. This one is like over 15 months, and then it's pay for itself again. So it'll be much more better than buy a paper towel. Well, pay someone to pick up paper towel from the floor. It doesn't have anything to do with this question. I would choose A, the wisest answer. So thank you for coming. I hope you have a wonderful day. And this is the question that I want you to do. Thank you for coming, and have a good day.